Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying system readiness. Check Windows 10 build and sign in with your Microsoft account so Game DVR settings sync. Next, open Microsoft Store, search Xbox Game Bar, and install or update it. This provides the overlay and capture backend. Once done, enable background apps and turn on game mode in Settings Gaming to prioritize resources. Make sure your GPU drivers are current so captures won't drop frames. This reduces stutter while recording and gives reliable performance. Now, configure the core capture settings inside Xbox Game Bar. Press Win+G to bring up the overlay and open capture. Choose resolution, frame rate, and bitrate to balance quality versus disk use. 1080p at 30 FPS is a good baseline. Assign keyboard shortcuts for start/stop recording, capture screenshot, and toggle microphone so you can act instantly in-game. Also enable background recording if you want automatic retroactive clips. Make sure the destination drive has enough. Finish by running a short test capture during gameplay and review the clip for audio sync, frame drops, and file location. If recording fails to start, first update GPU drivers and Windows, then disable other overlays like Discord or NVIDIA Shadowplay that may conflict. If problems persist, go to Settings Apps, choose Xbox Game Bar, and select Repair or Reset. Finally, ensure the capture folder has right permissions and sufficient free space. Changing the target drive often resolves saving errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.